In this video, we'll demonstrate how to reclaim disk space and uncover hidden storage on your Mac. Let's dive in. Begin by opening the System Settings on your Mac. Click on the Apple icon at the top left corner of the menu and select System Settings. Choose General from the left sidebar and navigate to Storage on the right side. At the top, you will see a colored bar indicating which categories are consuming your disk space. Next, click on any category at the bottom. For example, if you want to delete applications from your Mac that you're not using anymore, click on the eye icon next to it and see the detailed format. In the Applications menu, select the app you want to delete and then click on Delete at the bottom right. Follow similar instructions for all the apps you want to delete. When done, click on Done at the bottom right corner. Additionally, to empty the bin, click on the eye icon next to Bin and click on Empty Trash button at the upper right corner. Follow similar instructions for all the storage categories. Once you're done, you will notice a huge difference in the colored bar at the top in the storage menu. Look no further than this video for your essential guide to reclaiming disk space and revealing hidden storage on your Mac. For a plethora of tech tips and tricks, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover even more tech delights in one of these videos.